said, I think in the beginning, he genuinely think that Jayden gone. Yeah, he genuinely think that Jayden gone. Jel, how you doing, my lady? A long time I'm saying, I hope you're well. I hope you're okay. You understand? And this is what me I try to tell you now. This is what me I try to tell you, say. Now, the mama, alright, blessing. The mama, no. Only God in the heaven alone can tell me say the mama never know. The mama know say Jayden not come home. The mama know say Jayden not coming home. Listen to the mama. Go back and listen to the interview and listen to the mama. Go back and listen to the crocodile. You are going to tell me now, say, right? You are going to look for me, Miss Carol's second pick me and tell me, say, you, as a parent or a guardian, they are in hospital yesterday. Right? You did it for the whole day. And you go home as a woman. You go home as a woman. Where you all spirit, my brother, man and my boss. You go home, you know. Remember, she has not been at our yard since Thursday night. And you go home Friday evening. Right? You go home Friday evening. And before you say, make you go put on your bag, I go wash up yourself, I go, you know, go do any little fresh up, drink one cup of water, you go straight in a Jayden room. You went straight into Jayden room. Like you want to go prove, say, make me see if him not there for true. Make that make sense to me. I can tell you something right now. I left me just have a pair of twin in my house. I left my woman have a pair of twin this morning in my house. I made the out and go home. Me now run from out of the road, go straight to my twin. Me I go at least wash off me and the hospital me I come from. Me I go take off my clothes when me in the hospital for all day because all kind of thing in the hospital. COVID, Ebola, AIDS, cholera, everything in the hospital. So when me go back home, me I go take off my shoes and me I go wash my hand and me I go take off my hospital lead clothes. But no she runs straight in a Jayden room. And when she go in a Jayden room, she turn back out. So for all you know, Jayden could have come in and drop asleep in a fear bed and you wouldn't know because you're going in a Jayden room and turn back through the door. And make that make sense to me, people. Make it make sense to me. No. Somebody make that make sense to me. These are one of the most cruel, wicked, evil sets of bastards I ever come across. A matter of fact, government will go take a Spider-Man from them. Government will take away the little baby girl from them. Government will take away Demar from them. Them no fi have nothing to do with no pitney. Them they are evil. Them they are devil in reincarnation. Them they no fi have no pitney. So the simple fact that not even social service come in. You can't have two pitney earth in a 1 week in the same yard and the next. Them are in our one place right now. You have one baby with the femur broke. You have one baby with missing, and you have one next one who practice for ton scammer. No. Something need to give. May I tell you something need to give in the yard. So that is the reason now, because let me tell you something now. You see, oh, Mr. T if he left. You know, say Mr. T gone back and live over her mother, right? Mr. T gone back and live over her mother yard. Let me tell you something. Mr. T, as long as the sun come out of the sky, Mr. T will never go back in a then good book. Me say, as long as the sun over this earth, Mr. T will never go back in a them good book. When them go to prison, them are going to blame Mr. T for sending them to prison. Hear the hyena say, Mr. T, come talk some things we never have to say them, some things we never necessary. Like, if you make people know so we're guilty, you never have to say it, Mr. T. Mr. T, you did not have to come tell the people them say we're guilty. And basically that she say, if you read between the lines, that she say, you know. If you read between the lines, any at all, that's exactly what she's saying. Nothing no come out of it. And let me tell you something. When me tell you them are people, them are Satan in disguise. You understand? Them are people that are all wicked. Listen, I know, you know, the people them just go back. The people them just go back to the normal life, like them in the army. They say, "How's your work?" Oi, let me tell you something. Foreign people, anybody who live in America, I go give you the boy name. I want the people who live in America to search in name the same. Because it's very ironic. Nobody on the planet can find field name have nothing to do with no soldier. When I say to you look wild, I say nobody will have access to Google or where next one name Safari or where next one name Firefox. Nobody at all can find field name linked to no soldier. Mars, trust me, I have a whole research team behind me. I have one big, long research team. If I start call out my research team name right now, tomorrow I choose it before me done. And the hyena, she ain't no nurse. So everybody that says she a nurse, she's not any nurse. She have a beauty salon or a beauty shop where they sell beauty product. No nurse. And my thing is this. That's why I want people in America to start do some searching for them name, because here what I know. That is significant, you know. That is very significant. Because the boy Spider-Man father want everybody who have a computer button to start look up his name, because I am a research team look and we can't find him same man a soldier. We cannot find this guy as a soldier in the United States of America Army. So I wonder if he's an under SEAL soldier, I'm a what kind of soldier, if he's a SEAL soldier or I'm one of them private soldier. Moderator, put him full name in the chat for me, please, and thank you. Yeah. And I can't give you the address, I can't give you the, let me tell you the name and the date of birth, every rocket thing. Yeah. Somebody say myself soldier. The military doesn't disclose its information. My daughter is military. No. We don't want the information, you know. So you tell me if you go and look up your daughter right now, you will not find out say your daughter is a soldier. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna take your word for it. That's why I say I want some people from America for help. I want some people from America for help. Forget to find out if the guy's a soldier. I know. Yeah, we want to find out, because the thing is this. The thing is this, what I'm trying to explain to you now. Mar. Right? I have all of them information, but to see anything when I really no, if it's not really necessary to do what we are doing, so I no need to tell you because as I said to you, so I got inner things where alright, so the boy name is John Michael or Michael Cork. What you telling the boy date of birth? One of them born in February 1993, 33-year-old. She is no stranger to crime. January 6, 2026, she was charged for a traffic offense. Case file number that husband named John Michael Cork. They bought their home November 8, 2022. She has a mortgage amount of $316,800. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with 226,500 square foot. She owns a Beauty by Us LLC. What the boy name? Remember, I find the boy Oh yes, and also he's also on thingy as well. He's also on a website called meetme.com and his membership number is 28 48 97 95. And the father have so much. Me for the boy date of birth. Hold on. You have the boy date of birth somewhere, man. Wait. Because how that? Nana? Is it Na? Nana? What you say your name? Say your name for me. I need to go look for the but me have the boy there. I can think the boy at 47 or something like that. But what I want to do, me want to find out if he's a soldier. And the reason why I want to find out if he's a soldier, because I believe, big up yourself, General. I honestly believe that